Welcome to Like Health. Do you know what okra water does to your body after the age of 50? Most people have no idea how powerful this simple drink really is. As you get older, your body starts to change. Your energy drops, digestion slows, and joints get stiffer. But okra water can help fight all of that, naturally and effectively. It's loaded with nutrients that your body needs now more than ever. In this video, I'll reveal 8 surprising benefits of drinking okra water daily. Some of them may shock you, especially benefit number 6. Before we dive in, tell me, what's your biggest health concern right now? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you find this video helpful, please tap the like button to support the channel. Benefit number 1. Helps stabilize blood sugar levels. As you age, your risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes increases. Okra is rich in soluble fiber, which slows down sugar absorption in the digestive tract. This means fewer spikes and crashes in your blood sugar levels. Drinking okra water on an empty stomach helps regulate glucose throughout the day. Studies show that compounds in okra may improve insulin sensitivity. That's why many natural health experts recommend it for diabetic support. It's a gentle way to protect your pancreas and prevent long-term damage. Just 1 glass a day can make a noticeable difference in how you feel. And if you're monitoring your blood sugar, this may be a game changer. Benefit number 2. Reduces joint pain and inflammation. Joint stiffness and pain often get worse after 50, but okra may offer relief. It's packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds like flavonoids. These help reduce swelling in your joints and fight oxidative stress. Okra also contains vitamin C, which supports collagen production for joint health. Some people report less pain and better flexibility within weeks of daily use. It's like giving your joints a daily dose of natural lubrication. The mucilage in okra also acts as a mild anti-inflammatory in your system. If you struggle with arthritis or joint discomfort, okra water is worth a try. Drink it regularly, and notice the difference when you get up and move. Benefit number 3. Boosts digestive health and prevents constipation. If your digestion has slowed down after 50, you're not alone. Okra water acts like a natural digestive tonic thanks to its high mucilage content. This slimy texture might look odd, but it soothes the gut and improves bowel movements. It helps move food smoothly through the intestines, preventing constipation and bloating. Plus, its fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut, boosting overall gut health. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption, more energy, and even a stronger immune system. Think of okra water as a gentle internal cleanser, especially helpful as your metabolism slows. Drink it in the morning, and you may notice lighter, more comfortable digestion all day. For anyone over 50, this is one of the simplest ways to reboot your digestive system naturally. Benefit number 4. Supports heart health and lowers bad cholesterol. Heart disease is one of the top concerns for people over 50, but okra water may help protect your heart. It contains soluble fiber that binds to cholesterol in your gut and helps flush it out. This lowers LDL, bad cholesterol levels without the side effects of medications. Okra also contains potassium and magnesium, minerals that help regulate blood pressure. Its antioxidant compounds reduce oxidative stress, one of the root causes of heart damage. By drinking okra water regularly, you're supporting your arteries and improving circulation. It's a simple natural habit that helps reduce your risk of heart attack and stroke. And the best part? You don't need a prescription, just a few pieces of okra and some water. So if you care about keeping your heart strong as you age, this daily drink is a must. Benefit number 5. Enhances vision and protects eye health. After 50, your vision can start to decline, but okra water brings an unexpected boost. Okra is a rich source of vitamin A, lutein, and beta-carotene, all crucial for eye health. These compounds protect your retinas from oxidative stress and slow down age-related vision loss. Drinking okra water helps nourish the delicate tissues in your eyes from the inside out. It may reduce your risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, 2 common issues after 50. What makes this special is that most people never think of okra as an eye food. But daily intake helps your eyes stay sharp, clear, and well lubricated. It's a natural defense against the digital eye strain we all deal with today. If you're reading this on a screen, your eyes are already thanking you for watching this video. Benefit number 6. Supports liver detox and natural cleansing. Here's a powerful benefit you won't hear in most videos about okra water: liver support. Your liver is your body's main detox organ, and it works harder as you age. Okra water helps cleanse the liver by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. It contains compounds like flavonoids and polysaccharides that support liver regeneration. Studies have shown that okra may reduce fat buildup in the liver, a common concern over 50. This makes it a valuable drink for anyone concerned about fatty liver or sluggish detox function. While other drinks claim to detox, okra actually supports the organs doing the real work. Drinking it daily is like giving your liver the nutrients it needs to heal and function better. And that inner cleansing? It shows on your skin, energy levels, and even your mood. Benefit number 7. Promotes weight loss and reduces belly fat. If you're trying to lose weight after 50, okra water can be a secret weapon. It's low in calories but high in fiber, helping you feel full and curb cravings. That means less snacking, better portion control, and more consistent weight loss. The fiber also slows digestion, which balances blood sugar and reduces fat storage. Plus, the antioxidants in okra support metabolism and fat-burning processes. Its natural compounds even help reduce inflammation linked to stubborn belly fat. You won't lose weight overnight, but drink it consistently and watch the inches fade. It's a gentle, sustainable way to support your weight loss goals. No extreme diets required. If your scale has been stuck for years, this simple drink may finally get it moving. And if you're serious about losing weight naturally, check out our other videos on the channel. Benefit number 8. Strengthens immunity and fights off illness. As you age, your immune system needs more support, and okra water delivers it naturally. It's packed with vitamin C, zinc, and powerful plant compounds that boost immune response. These nutrients help your body fight off infections, colds, and even chronic inflammation. Okra's antioxidants also help neutralize free radicals that weaken your immunity over time. Regular use may lower your risk of respiratory issues and speed up recovery from illness. It even supports the health of your skin and mucous membranes, your body's first line of defense. Many people notice fewer sick days and more energy after making it a daily habit. And the best part? It's natural, affordable, and available in every grocery store. If you care about staying strong and active in your later years, don't skip this. Be sure to visit our channel page. We've prepared more powerful health tips to keep you thriving every day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new